Hi everyone, welcome back to Chinese with Fang. In the last lesson, we learned the 4 Chinese tones and how to pronounce each one by using the 5-level tone method. But here's something important. In real life, as we all know, we don't usually say just one Chinese character at a time. Most Chinese characters are used in words, phrases, and sentences. So when 2 tones come together, their pitch and rhythm become much more important. That's why today we're going to practice tone 1 with the other 4 tone combinations. We'll learn tone 1 plus tone 1, tone 2, tone 3, and tone 4. We'll use simple HSK1 vocabulary, practice real sentences, and do lots of shadowing together. So by the end of this lesson, you will sound much more natural when speaking Chinese. Now, let's get started. First, let's review what we have learned. We got tones in 5-level chart. You still have some questions, you can get back to my previous video, Mandarin Pronunciation Basics number 1, 5 Chinese tones. Now let's start with tone 1 plus tone 1. In tone 1 plus tone 1, both syllables stay high and level. Don't let your voice drop after the first syllable. Now please read after me. Listen carefully. 咖啡 今天 开心 星期 天天 Okay, now let's practice shadowing. The first reading will be more dramatically, that would strengthen your memory. The second round, we speak them naturally, okay? 我今天喝了咖啡。我今天喝了咖啡。喝咖啡很开心。喝咖啡很开心。Next is tone 1 followed by tone 2. The first syllable stays high, the second syllable rises naturally. Please keep in mind the starting point of the second syllable will be lower than the first one. Think of it as high and rising. Please use your hand to show the change. Listen and repeat. 公园今年刚才中文欢迎 Great! Now let's use these words in complete sentences. Let's do shadowing practice. 欢迎一起学习中文。欢迎一起学习中文。我刚才去公园了。我刚才去公园了。 Now we come to one of the most challenging patterns, tone 1 plus tone 3. In natural speech, the third tone is usually not pronounced as a four-tone value 214. It falls firstly and never rises again. Please see this chart. Instead, it becomes a low tone. We call it half third tone, 211. So once you master this, your Chinese will sound much more fluently and naturally. Now listen carefully and read after me. 喝水，风景，身体，经理，开始。Great, let's practice these words into sentences. 我每天喝开水。我每天喝开水。这个公园的风景很好。这个公园的风景很好。Finally, tone 1 followed by tone 4. The first syllable stays high, then the second syllable falls quickly and strongly. Imagine throwing a ball down, high, then 4. Now, listen carefully and read after me. 天气，生日，鸡蛋，高兴，工作。Excellent! Now let's practice these words in complete sentences. Remember, keep tone 1 high, then tone 4 fall sharply. Now let's begin. 过生日要吃鸡蛋。过生日要吃鸡蛋。他在工作。他在工作。Today, we will learn 4 important tone patterns, tone 1 plus tone 1, tone 2, tone 3, and tone 4. My advice is simple. Don't just memorize the words, but practice the tone patterns. Listen carefully, repeat out loud, and copy the pitch or melody, if I can say that. Use your hands or chin to help. When you use your brain, your hands, ears, and mouth, it's easier to develop muscle memory. Finally, please take time to practice pattern one by one, just as you would practice instrument, starting from the simplest pattern, working from slow to fast. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In the next lesson, we'll continue with tone 2 combinations. See you next time. Bye!